How to transfer TikTok account to another account. I'm going to show you the steps to easily transfer your TikTok account to a new one. So to get started, open the TikTok app and log in to the account you want to transfer. Then, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access your settings. From there, select Manage Account. Now, scroll down and look for the Switch Account options. Tap on it and you will see a list of your linked accounts. If you don't see the account you want to transfer to, tap Add Account and log into New Account. Once you're on the new account, you can copy any necessary content or information from the old account. That's it. You've successfully transferred your TikTok account to another account.